Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HP Sprocket select device, and now I'm gonna show you how to connect this device to your iPhone, to your mobile device, and how to use it. So firstly, of course, you need to charge your Sprocket. To do it, you need to connect it via micro USB and just charge your device. Wait a while. It doesn't work. Okay, it works. As you can see here, my lamp is blinking. Here I have the red lamp. And yes, it's charging now. And cool. So you need to charge your device, and then when you will charge your device, you need to have it on the charger when you will try to connect. So open the Sprocket application. You need to download the Sprocket from your App Store or from Google Play. Click My Sprocket, and I have Sprocket Select, so I will click on Sprocket Select. And what we need to do, we need to disconnect now our Sprocket from the charger, then connect again and click and hold power button. Then, after a while, click next, load paper. How to load paper? So you will have the paper set. As you can see here, I have the paper set, and in your paper set you will have this calibrating paper. So I have none of this calibrating paper, unfortunately, but you will have your calibrating paper, this calibrating paper from another printer. It's smaller than I need. And you will need to insert this calibrating paper card in this way that here will be face of your paper, but calibrating paper will you will need to set in this way. Okay? So install the paper inside of your printer and click Get Connect. And now your smartphone, your iPhone or your Android device will see the HP Sprocket. My lamp is constantly red, as you can see. So click plus, connect, gathered, click OK. Now click HP Sprocket Select. That's cool. Setup is complete. Your devices are paired, as you can see. Continue to gallery, and now in the gallery you just need to select the paper card you wanna print. As you can see, it detecting that my cover is opened, but it's not true. Wait a while. Maybe I'm not closed the cover too good. So now I can disconnect it from the power. Okay, maybe it's not too charged. Cool. And then when you will choose the paper card, you can change the layout of the picture you want to print. You can make it smaller, you can make it bigger, you can crop it. Here you have tiles, so you can use tiles, for example, and change and you use several different pictures on the one paper card, for example, and then just click on the print button to print the picture. When you will start to print the picture, you will see the blue light on your Sprocket, and printer will start to print. I have low battery, so I will not print right now, but if you will charge your device a little bit, your Sprocket will print the paper with your image. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.